Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daniel Crane Reacts. I hope you are having a wonderful day. This is the end of Monday's list. I know I'm behind just by that much, but we're firing right into Tuesday, and all of it's going to be up today. So, uh, just a personal note, my doctor said I should start feeling about 100% here in about 2 weeks. Some of the big medical scares that I had and have kind of been bringing me down over the last week um, have been alleviated. So that's a good thing. And yeah, just a couple more hurdles to go, and it's just that's what happens when your body starts breaking down, when you get old, but also when you end up with a debilitating disease. Okay, you guys, you're always killing it on requests, so just please keep that up. Today for Mellow Monday, I thought we'd do a little Michael Jackson, little human nature. So I want you guys to let me know now. I spent not quite, but almost twice as much as my old sound system was. I want to know what you guys think. Now, see, with this one, I don't have a controller, so I have to manually turn it on, turn it off. Um, but yeah, I like it, but I don't know. I don't know how well it's going to translate through and be picked up and be out there. So you guys let me know if you like this one. I still, of course, I still have the original or my second system. Uh, I don't have my original anymore. I got rid of that. But yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead. Let's get on with Mellow Monday, and hope everybody gets to kick back right now and chill.
Looking out across the night, the city winks asleep as I hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the night, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl
All right. There was some nice Michael Jackson. That's good. Even though it's Tuesday now, still a good pickup for the week. Um, yeah, I mean, I don't score these, but if I did, that would automatically be a 10 out of 10. Um, he's just too good. Any generation you pick out, he's just too good. Um, yeah, I hope I haven't done this one already, but if I have, um, I'm sorry. But hey, it's on a different sound system, so there you go. There's something different. Hopefully, it's on a better sound system. But if it's not, you know what? Then I'll have something to go out to hike. Well, I don't get to really hike anymore, but to go park out in the forest with. Um, because that's what we used to. We used to carry the big old boom boxes up there. Um, back in my day. Back in my day, when I was walking uphill both ways in the snow, barefoot, um, with no coats. So, all right, you guys, I'm not gonna hold you up. Uh, Hopefully, you guys are getting off work right about now and stuff like that. So, I hope you're gonna have a wonderful, safe day. And do me one favor, please. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Come on back. I'll catch you in about a half an hour.